This world that surrounds us is filled with so much vitality in life. But do we take that life for granted? There is beauty in each moment, if only we take that time to let it reach us on a deeper level. Every day, we see water, bugs, birds, food. We are fortunate enough to breathe clean air, to recreate in large nature areas reserved for those purposes. But what if that all collapsed? What if, in taking steps to forward and further our industrial world, we lose those pieces that connect us to this beautiful planet we call home? Without nature and the socio-ecological services it provides us, we as humans would not thrive, could not survive. What would life be without any clean water? Without fertile soil to grow crops, or clean air to breathe as we skirt around our busy day-to-day lives? To sustain the lives that we live, we must first support and maintain our natural world that allows us to remain.